Morning students, I am your science teacher Safia. Today I am here with a video of revision video. Already you have completed 2 examinations. I hope everyone is writing without cheating. Now you have heard examination, so exemplary revision video it is. So let me say first your syllabus. The syllabus for this lesson is reproduction in plants. Reproduction in plants. Then next lesson is seed dispersal. So you have examination from these 2 lessons, that is reproduction in plants and seed dispersal. So here we have discussed about reproduction in plants in detail and as well as about seed dispersal. So first of all, let us recall these topics of this lesson, reproduction in plants. So here, as you know, reproduction is important. What is reproduction actually? Production of same kind. Okay, production of same kind is called as, same kind of offsprings is called as reproduction. So for reproduction can take place in 2 different ways, that is in sexual way and in asexual way. That is sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, seed will be formed, whereas in asexual reproduction, seed may not form and will not form. And in reproduction plants, we have discussed the floral diagram, floral parts of a flower. I have drawn a picture of it. It was Datura plant. We have discussed a lot about Datura plant. So what is Datura plant? Datura flower, it is bisexual flower, complete and bisexual flower. Complete because it has all 4 folds, that is calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. And bisexual because it has androecium and gynoecium. And as well as complete and incomplete and unisexual flower. Example is cucumber. Cucumber is incomplete, that is because it doesn't have one fold. Like it have calyx, corolla, androecium, but gynoecium is missing, so it is incomplete. And as well as it is unisexual because one of the sex organ is missing here, that is gynoecium is missing. So here we have discussed, here we have discussed about all these plants, all these examples and all. Here I said you to practice the diagram of flower also, that is very important diagram. Okay, and you have to use scale and pencil and whatever, whenever you are drawing you have to use pencil, and for margins and all you have to use scale. And I said you the way of reproduction, sexual reproduction, certain procedure you have should be followed. That is what first step was, what, pollination. After pollination we have, after pollination tube will be growing, that is what, germination. After germination, fertilization, then formation of seed into fruit. This process is there, go through that process properly. And then we have discussed about asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction can take place either by birds, either by spores, or either by vegetative parts of a plant. Which, for example, if I am saying vegetative parts of a plant, what are the 3 vegetative parts of a plant? Root, stem and leaf. So the new plant can grow from either root or either from stem or either from the leaf. So if it is growing from there, then it is vegetative reproduction. Examples I have given, so you have to go through that. Next is by buds, hydra. Okay, I can say yeast cells. Yeast cells will grow by budding. Okay, it is also a kind of asexual reproduction. Then the third one is by spores. Formation of spores you can see in the bread mold. Bread mold, bread mold will be growing with the help of spores. That is also a kind of asexual reproduction. That all we have discussed in the lesson, reproduction in plants. Go through the lesson thoroughly and properly. I am insisting you to read those all again and again. Then we have here seed dispersal. So as the seed is formed here in the sexual reproduction, that seed will be in the fruit. So how new plant will be obtained or how it can be produced, that is because if the seed is sown somewhere, That is how seed dispersal, movement of seed from one place to another place is called as seed dispersal. So here we have discussed what is seed dispersal, necessity of seed dispersal, right? To avoid competition with the mother plant, seed will disperse for distinct places, and etc. We have discussed, and mechanisms of dispersal. Same agents of pollination are present. Same agents of dispersal are here. And not only that, you have seen how examples of seed dispersal. And I said about one plant, that is what mustard seeds. In its lifetime, it will produce 10,000 seeds. If all the seeds can germinate, then within 6 years, our complete globe will be filled with the mustard plants. But do you think it will take place? No, because all the seeds cannot germinate. So this was about the revision. Go through the revision properly and carefully, students. I am insisting you to go through the videos perfectly and properly. If you can't write all the answers, but just you have to try it, give it a try. If I gave you some question or something which you feel it is difficult, don't leave it, just to try it, focus and try to answer the question. Here we are trying to improve your creativity. We doesn't want you to sit simply and waste your time, and go through the topics. All the best for your exam.